Welcome to our channel, your go-to source for everything crypto. Whether you're a seasoned investor, a blockchain enthusiast, or just curious about the world of cryptocurrencies, you're in the right place. Here, we delve into the latest news, trends, and insights in the digital currency landscape. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, ICOs to DeFi, and everything in between, we've got you covered. In today's video, we're going to discuss some major moves in the crypto industry, including Binance's latest decision to sell its Russian business to CommEx. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into today's topic. Have you heard about the latest move by Binance? The global cryptocurrency giant has announced its decision to sell its Russian business to Comex, a local cryptocurrency exchange. This surprising move is a strategic one, as Binance shifts its focus towards its core markets and doubles down on ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements. The sale, whose financial details remain undisclosed, is expected to be completed in the near future, subject to regulatory approvals. Binance's chief compliance officer, Noah Perlman, stated that operating in Russia is not compatible with Binance's compliance strategy. This indicates a clear course towards a future where Binance is more focused and compliant in its operations. It's important to note that Binance will not maintain any ongoing revenue split from the sale and has no option to buy back shares in the business. This latest move by Binance is a clear indication of the company's commitment to regulatory compliance. What does this mean for Russian Binance users? Now, this is the question that's probably on everyone's mind. Binance has been quite transparent about the transition. They've assured their users in Russia that their assets are safe and secure. This is a major point of relief for many, as the crypto world can be fraught with uncertainty. To make the process as smooth as possible, Binance has planned an orderly migration of users to CommEx. This won't be an overnight shift though. The divestment process is expected to take up to 1 year. This should give users ample time to acclimatize to the new platform and its functionalities. While this change might be a bit daunting for some, it's important to remember that this is a strategic move by Binance to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. Rest assured, Binance users in Russia, your assets are in safe hands. So, who is CommEx, and what does this deal mean in the larger context? Well, CommEx is a newly minted cryptocurrency exchange, a centralized platform that's attracted backing from a number of cryptocurrency venture capitalists. It's a new player on the scene, having only launched its exchange platform earlier this week. Now let's zoom out a bit. Binance's move to sell its Russian business to CommEx is far from an isolated incident. Quite a number of Western companies, including household names like Renault, Shell, and McDonald's, have also been recalibrating their Russian strategies. They've either agreed to sell off their Russian assets or passed the reins to local managers. This is largely in response to the sanctions imposed over the conflict in Ukraine and looming threats from the Kremlin that foreign-owned assets may be seized. Clearly, Binance is not alone in rethinking its Russian strategy. What else is in the pipeline for Binance? Now, it's worth noting that Binance's journey isn't all smooth sailing. They found themselves entangled in a web of legal and regulatory challenges. A case in point is the lawsuit filed by US regulators against the crypto exchange and its CEO Changpeng Zhao, alleging deceptive practices. Binance, however, remains steadfast, pledging to defend itself vigorously. Not just that, Binance also hit a roadblock with their crypto card programs. In partnership with MasterCard, these programs were operational in Argentina, Brazil, Colombia, and Bahrain. But as things stand, they were terminated last month. These cards allowed users to make payments in traditional currencies, backed by their crypto holdings on Binance. Despite these hurdles, Binance continues to forge ahead. They're continuously adapting to the ever-changing crypto landscape, navigating through regulations and compliance issues. Despite these challenges, Binance continues its operations, adapting to the ever-changing crypto landscape. Let's shift our focus and talk about the hot topic of crypto tax in India. Recently, the Indian government proposed a controversial tax on cryptocurrencies. They're planning a 30% tax on profits from crypto trading and 1% on each transaction. This move has sparked a heated debate. How will this tax impact the crypto industry and investors? Some experts believe that this taxation could severely hamper the growth of the burgeoning crypto industry in India. They argue that these taxes could deter potential investors and stifle innovation in the sector. On the other hand, there are those who believe that this is a necessary step towards legitimizing cryptocurrencies in India. They argue that this could pave the way for more robust regulations and greater investor protection. The crypto tax in India is a contentious issue with potential far-reaching implications. As we wait for further developments, the global crypto community watches with bated breath. Will this move by India set a precedent for other countries to follow, or will it serve as a cautionary tale? Only time will tell. As we wrap up today's discussion, we have covered some major developments in the world of crypto. From Binance's sale of its Russian business to CommEX, the implications for Russian Binance users, to an overview of Comex and other companies' moves. We've also delved into Binance's future prospects amidst the challenges it faces. And of course, the contentious issue of India's proposed crypto tax and its potential impact on the industry. Thank you for joining us today. Your support helps us continue to bring you the latest and most important news from the crypto world. If you found this video informative and helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and fellow crypto enthusiasts. Your engagement truly makes a difference. As we look forward to more developments in the crypto world, let's continue to learn, invest wisely, and navigate this exciting and dynamic landscape together. Stay tuned for more updates from the world of cryptocurrencies. Until then, stay safe and keep exploring the opportunities that the world of crypto has to offer. Before we wrap up, we'd like to remind you why staying connected with us is so important. As the crypto world continues to evolve, our channel is dedicated to keeping you informed and prepared for the changes. By subscribing, you ensure that you won't miss out on any crucial updates or insights that could impact your crypto journey. So, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay ahead of the curve. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the world of crypto, it could also mean profit. Thank you for your support.